Grooming senior pups.
Okay, this is Mia. She's like super old. She's like 17 or 18. She has really bad goop on her eyes. So before the film, when I got her all wet, I soaked this with lube. You can just use any lube. Make sure it's like no scents or flavors or anything. Just use that. You get to put it on their eyes. I just rub it in a little bit and I'm letting it soak while I do the rest of it. This dog is very sensitive with her eyes because her mouth hurts, because I'm sure she's got a whole bunch of dental stuff. She just won't let me look. And then with old dogs, you have to be very gentle. This dog is on gabapentin, so that will help her anxiety a little bit, but it probably doesn't help the pain too much. Of course, they're gonna have like all these old lady lumps, stuff like this. Usually the older dogs have the goop more often, especially when they have bad teeth. And then they usually have arthritis. You can tell because she's a little sensitive with her legs. So I'm just a little more gentle than I am for a normal or a younger dog. And then also you can use lube if they have poop on their booty, which I don't think she does. No, her booty's okay. But if they have like caked on poop on their butt, you can also use lube for that. Just set it on or rub it in a little bit, let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then you can rub it in a little bit, and then rinse it off, and then just shampoo as normal. Usually it helps get it off really easily, and you don't have to worry about cutting them with the clippers accidentally.
Please like, follow, and subscribe for more grooming tips.